Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove an object from your video clip only with the CapCut application. So here I already have the CapCut project as well as the video, so I will to try to hide this object here or these objects too. So to do that, you just need to go click the clip, and after that take a look on this button features, scrolling that into the left side until you found duplicates. Now you just need to duplicate the clip, and now duplicate the clip and make the second clip here become an overlay clip. Now you just need to drag the overlay clip so that they will have the same duration with the original clip. Okay, and right after that, go click the overlay clip again, and let's just find mask features. And when you got the mask features, go click them. Now you just need to choose either these circles or the rectangle. After you found it, you just need to place this rectangle part into the specific positions near with the object that you want to hide to isolate the particular object. So since this can cover the object, so you just need to pick them. This is quite challenging because you need to adjust in it perfectly with your finger. Okay, my bad, I think I need to adjust in it more. Okay, almost. Okay, I got them. And now you just need to go click this checklist button, and right after that you just need to pinch this side with two of your finger while dragging into the specific item that you want to hide. Okay, my bad. Here we go. And you're done. So that is the way how to hide an object on the video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.